In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Park Mobile app. First, open the Google Play Store. You can find the Google Play icon on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. It typically looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will launch, displaying a variety of apps and games. This app store is essential for Android users, as it provides access to thousands of applications, including Park Mobile. If you encounter any issues accessing the Play Store, make sure your internet connection is stable. This ensures a smooth experience. Next, tap the search bar located at the top of the screen. The search bar allows you to find specific apps quickly. It's usually marked with a magnifying glass icon. After you tap on it, your keyboard will appear. This is where you will type the name of the app you want to download. Typing accurately is important to ensure you find the correct app. If you're unsure of the spelling, don't worry. You can always check it later. Now type Park Mobile Tokens name Park Pay Go into the search bar. As you type, suggestions may appear below the bar. This can help you select the right app quickly. Make sure to double-check your spelling, as there might be similar apps with different names. This is crucial because selecting the wrong app could lead to confusion or downloading an app that does not meet your needs. After typing, press the search button on your keyboard. From there, select Park Mobile Tokens Namen Park Pay Go by Park Mobile LLC. This is the official app you need for convenient parking payments. You will recognize it by its logo, which features a distinctive blue and green design. Tapping on the app will take you to its page in the Play Store. Here you can read descriptions and reviews. This information can help you understand the app's features better. It's wise to look at the ratings to ensure you are downloading a reliable app. Next, tap Install. This button is usually green and is located on the app's page. When you tap it, the app will begin to download. You may see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is essential because it connects you to the services Park Mobile provides. Make sure your device has enough storage space for the installation. A successful download means you are one step closer to using the app. Wait for the app to download and install. This process typically takes only a few moments depending on your internet speed. During this time, you may want to explore other apps or check notifications on your device. The installation is crucial, as it ensures you have the latest version of the app with all the necessary features. Once the installation completes, you will see the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. At this point, tap Open. This action will launch the Park Mobile app for the first time. You will be greeted with a welcome screen that may provide an overview of what the app offers. This is an exciting moment, as you are about to access a convenient tool for managing your parking needs. If you encounter any prompts requesting permissions, read them carefully. These permissions help the app function correctly. Now sign up or sign in with your email, phone number, Google account, or Apple account. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. This allows you to save your payment methods and vehicle information for future use. Existing users can simply log in. Creating an account is important because it enhances your experience with the app. It also keeps your data secure and allows for seamless transactions. Finally, add your vehicle and payment method to start paying for parking. You can enter your vehicle's license plate number and choose from various payment options. This step is vital as it sets you up to use the app effectively. Once your vehicle and payment details are saved, you are ready to park with ease. You will appreciate having this app handy for your parking needs.